Hello. Today I'm going to be talking about how to resolve the issue that how to test out Elm Vault on your local system MacBook. In this case, I'm setting up a local cluster. I'm using Kind to set up a local cluster. And after the cluster has been created, right? I went ahead to actually, of course, add the sorry and add the repo, add the HashiCorp repo, and install Vault. Now, when you install Vault like this, Vault is going to be installed in a standalone version. So what that means is that only a single instance of Vault is going to be created. Now, after that single instance has been created, the next thing you need to do is just initialize Vault, right? And what that means, when you say initialize, that means generating the root token and also the unseal key, right? Um, which is what I try to do here, but you run into this issue. Now, when you deploy Vault in a standalone version, it uses a host path volume. What do I mean by that, right? It uses a PV. This is the kind of PV that it uses, a persistent volume that it uses. This one, something like this. For example, the volume used here, right, it's named PV blah blah blah. This was actually created by Vault. It's an host path. It's an host path volume. That means the location of the volume is going to be on the node. Now, this is the location of the volume on the node. Now, the problem was that when I tried to execute the initialization process, I ran into this issue. It's telling me permission denied. That means it wasn't able to write data into the PV. All right, no problem. So I went online, I tried to find solution, blah, blah, blah. I was still running into the issue. Now, what I did was that I actually looked at the PV. Now, I looked at the PV, I kind of exec into the node, right? Remember, I'm using Kind. So in Kind, the nodes are going to be Docker container. So this is the node. As you can see, this is the node. I simply exec into the node where the Vault is installed. I then ran this particular change mod on the that particular volume. Remember, this is the volume. I simply ran change mod recursively, and that fixed it. Then what I did was that I kind of initialize it. Yeah, then you can go ahead and just initialize. And after you initialize it, then you can go ahead and unseal it. You can unseal with the initialized key. Then you can go ahead and just do anything else that you want to do, right? After I unseal it, I was able to create token for login. Remember, this is a root token. So that fixed my problem. So basically the step that you need to take is that you need to install it in a standalone version if you are testing. Remember, this is not for production. Then what you need to do is simply locate the PV volume, the host part, the location. Go ahead and run that command. This command, where is the command? This command, where are you? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Run the change mod command. Kind of really can, run this command. Once you're able to exec into the appropriate node where the pod is running, right? Then after you've done that, you can go ahead and just run your init back, operator init, and it's going to generate your unseal key, which typically is going to be 5, but you only need 3 of those to unseal. So after you see, that's what I did. I simply unseal it. So it's going to generate 5 key, and you only need 3 of them to unseal. Then after you unseal the node, sorry, yeah, after you unseal the vault rather, then your PV is going to actually turn ready. So basically, after you unseal, if you keep get port, right? This is going to move to ready, because before you unseal it, it's going to be shown is 0. It's not going to be ready. But after you unseal, it's going to move from it's going to move into a ready state. So basically, just check the PV volume. After you check the PV volume, locate the PV volume on your node and change the permission, and then you can go ahead and run your Vault operator in it and do anything else that you plan to do. So yeah, that's it.